Outer, my ex or Jason? Who you rather? Alright guys, so it's day 2 of Vlogmas and I promise you see it, I come through with day 2. We are go up on the road right now, go get a paint roller. I say your name, Joel? Roller, because we're going to paint the house, we'll touch up, but we not change the color, but you wanna notice it look dull and it pitchy patchy. So we're going to brighten the color and all of that. The house is a mess right now and my OCD a chippy in. So Jason up on rush, we'll leave out right now. When you know me, I might get something else in the town because I know I'm not get no table mat, so let's go. Alright, so we reached back home and we got the paint roller. So we got it. This is gonna make the work much easier and in a body reasonable, but we need to feel it because sometimes the roller them, oh, you're not bad, you're not bad. I see the table liner when I gonna get in a maxi. I never did buy it because I never did sure if I me really like or if it I go match nothing. But I not see nothing better, so I go just take it, so I go back on maxi. This is the only table mat I see well look nice, to be real honest. This is the only one, unless I did go take full black. And the vase them are black, yes, and gold, but I just never want black because I just never want to have the black sit down on the table like that. To me, it not going to give it a popping look. And the table liner, I reach out to this place for Instagram, all know them not answer me, all no. So that's a no-no, that did perfect if them did have it, if them did answer and have it. But I just buy this. Because for now, we need something for eat and if I get nothing, I just never par like forever. So it's an 8-piece with table of 6. I never see no 6-piece. I never see no 6-piece. Oh, you know see what I do? Bro. I'm so stupid. The thing is 4-piece, like format. When them say 8, they didn't mix it up for say 8 mat. Oh God. So guess what? I go back to get me. So this is what I get. It's not bad. I don't know if I can see color. I don't know. So I have to get one more because a format. I see 8-piece here, say, alright, 8. Take it 8 then, Andrew. But, them here. Even though them here gonna come in and this still. I can't find nothing better. I go everywhere. I go everywhere where I could have go. Jason did have to go up on the road and did have something to do. So, because I know we're going busy, I just buy something for me and my cousin eat. So, we're going to eat and then get to work. Guys, the house is a mess. Joel guy. Me see you can go on like a shy. You're so shy.
It's shy, good.
So I get lucky in here, so which is good. Because I'm not for help. I'm happy. So my paintbrush here guys, I go in and do the little corner them. Joel! When I need my help, call me. So, I'm a cousin, my dad come here and come take the credit. And my cousin do all of the work. See him there? Oh. But it don't look bad. It look nice. The place look brighter. The paint they kind of wash out. I'm tired. Uniam Gugu. Uniam Gugu. Could it be me you're talking to?
It is weird.
So guys, and I enjoy VLOGMAS so far. I just did one look at me and ask, you know. But I'm hungry now because at what time now? After 3. After 3 I will go up on the road from morning and eat something about 12 o'clock. I know after 3, so I'm a little bit hungry. So I'm gonna eat one apple because I don't really have no appetite. Get my meat for Christmas. Yay! And don't ask me if it's too early. No, it's not. Woo! Oh my god, let me show you guys. The oxtail, my pork. Guys, the lady hair pork, nice and soft. And my goat. It's starting to feel like Christmas. Yay! So if today is December 1st and Christmas dinner is the 25th, right? So knowing that I'm fresh, I have enough time, like perfect timing. This side of the wall, it's going away. It's gonna be in this. I rather for the whole living area in another color here than this color. Let me see which one of them look better for me. Wait, let me see. Boy. You'll never know. You'll never understand. It's couple hours after and we finished paint good while now. Well, my cousin, because my cousin do most of the work, like majority. Him do it. I just do like little creases them and all of that way. You know, we mess up. But good while now, the paint on the wall dry because it's water paint. But for tonight, what we're gonna do is put 2 buckets in the house with water for just kind of take what I sent there and sleep with the window them open. My love say they're living here now in a one color. So what I'm gonna do is just hurry up, get back the place in order, and then we'll go get something to eat. And I'm feeling much better. I mean, never because I didn't work all day is that me sweat it out. But enough of the talking because my cousin wants to sweep out the place and I'm in him way. Stop acting like a shy, Joel. So let us get into it. What you watching?
Yeah.
You don't go bed?
Yes, for me.
I know my baby in a reach home. But we finish and clean up the place. So tomorrow the veranda. We not do no more cleaning. Kitchen clean, living area clean, and that's it for today. Make a cup soup. What you are gonna
Now, something.
any
Bread.
stuff there?
You don't know, man.
Do bread and tuna with pepper.
Not me the tuna.
Why?
I don't eat tuna.
Right. Yes, sir. So the water to take out the paint scent out of the house. My mommy just remind me. Guys, so I bought these today. I don't really love them, to be real honest. But them alone I could have get because no one have no good mat. Oh my god. And then we really need something to eat, and so I did have them here from before. This did up on the next table, them two here. So I just use the 4-piece them and, you know, make something because we need to eat around the table. I just put them for the time being. And I know I'm going to get one good table runner line or whatever I want to call it. So I know I'm going to get one good one. But Thursday are the day to get all of them stuff there. But them here can go on for the time being. Because, as I say, when I want the table to scrape up. That your pick?
That never a night.
Exactly. That can full your belly? Be honest, that can full your belly?
Can't hold belly though. Cup soup can't full belly. That's even worse. I'm eating.
I'm to ask you. I have something to ask you.
Yeah, that's good.
Outer, my ex or Jason, who you rather?
Oh, me rate more.
Yeah.
Jason.
Why? Guys,
That's
don't
full
worry.
of vibes.
Don't worry. Him know why me I ask him.
Me rate him, but me not get to know him long.
What you mean you never get to know him long?
I must say when I see him, I come and I see Jason.
Well, that's not true.
I'm full of vibes. He's funny.
Funny.
Like, wait, I think more.
No, show them where the tea bread. Show them, please. Please, just show them where the tea bread. No, stop shaming bread. No. Stop shaming. You broke up the quick. Guys, you squeeze up it so I make it long.
Come on, maybe you.
Oh, welcome.
Maybe painting here.
Good morning, guys. I couldn't get to finish off my vlog last night because me did tired bad. As Jason come in, just bed and just go sleep. So may I finish it off right now. Jason over there start putting in him work. Joel I make breakfast and right now I go edit vlog day 2. Well, I go finish edit vlog day 2 so when I can get it and start off VLOGMAS day 3. Look on the girl, I'll be productive. The paint on the wall came out so good, guys. You're not being salty.
Yeah.
Oh.
Huh? You look like it's sitting so. Is that no?
Guys, I'm gonna end off my vlog right here. So me and my cousin are gonna make some breakfast so we can eat and get to work. I'm gonna finish edit right now before we start, and Jason I edit too. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road to 50k. Bye guys.